Hello everyone, this is Treshi Ghosh on Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walking jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the GlobalLogic Recruitment 2024 hiring of FP&A Ops. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. GlobalLogic is a digital company which pairs with the digital products which helps to develop and design. GlobalLogic has announced an off-campus hiring's official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having any degree can apply for this post of business intelligence. The job location will be Noida, Mumbai, and the candidates can expect the salary as per the company standards. Candidates should have at least 5 years of experience in a global company setting, should be eager to learn and have a natural capacity for numbers, exceptional attention to detail with high standards for data accuracy, strong ability to collect, organize, analyze all the data to form a larger exception, proactive supporter, self-starter and have a highly self-approach, and should also have the ability to work in a team in a timely manner, should be humble and be a great team player, should effectively understand and deliver all the business requirements for this job. I hope this video was useful to you, so thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Treshi Ghosh on Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.